Alrighty folks, here we go. We just finished up the GMC Denali. Let me show you guys this one here. Real nice color, real nice, good looking truck here. Alright, so we wrapped up the cab lights. As you can see, these are the Boost auto parts. These are pretty neat. These are unique. These are nice. They're a little bit different than the OEM and the Gold Recon ones. These look really good. I like them. You guys can see for yourself. We also installed the mirror lights here. We removed the OEM ones and installed these smoked ones here. Install is the same just about any other ones. These are really good quality. They look really nice. Alright, so everything's put back together. Done deal. Let us know if we can help you guys out. If you need some cab lights installed, we can make it happen here at D's Garage for you guys. Let me show you guys these though. These are sequential, so these are pretty cool. I'll show you why. These are a little bit different than the others. So I don't remember, I didn't check if it had the turn signals already with this one, or if that's part of the whole new deal. But there it is. And check out that top. It's also got the turn signal to go with it. Isn't that something? That is amazing. That is super cool. The other side as well. Everything works good. Looks nice. Even the side ones here. Wow, I didn't install these, but I'm pretty sure they're not too difficult to do. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Maria, can you, you're gonna have to move that Tesla. All right, so that's gonna be that. Everything's pretty good. Showed you guys the truck. Everything's put back together. Never mind, I think he's got it. So that's what that looks like there, guys. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me show you one more time before I go. These parts here. The module for the sequential, the mirrors, and the lights. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos.